Most cleaning business owners assume any scheduling software will fix their daily chaos. But here's the truth no one tells you. Choosing between Jobber and ZenMaid can completely change how smoothly your cleaning business runs in 2026. In this video, you'll get a clear breakdown of Jobber versus ZenMaid, what each one is built for, where they perform best, and which one is actually the better fit for your cleaning business. Let's get straight into it. First, what are these tools? Jobber and ZenMaid are both field service management platforms. They help cleaning businesses manage scheduling, clients, invoices, and communication. But they are not designed in the same way. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is a general-purpose field service tool, while ZenMaid is built specifically for maid and cleaning businesses. Let's start with Jobber. Jobber is designed for broad home service businesses. That includes cleaning, HVAC, landscaping, and small contracting teams. It focuses on structure, scheduling, and day-to-day operations. A business owner like Jake running a small cleaning company can schedule jobs, assign cleaners, send invoices, and manage customers in one system. The biggest advantage is simplicity and organization. Everything is centralized and easy to track. But here's the problem. Because Jobber is general purpose, it does not always feel tailored specifically for cleaning workflows. Now, let's move to ZenMaid. ZenMaid is built specifically for maid service businesses. That means everything is designed around recurring cleanings, client scheduling, and team coordination for cleaning crews. A cleaning business owner like Alex managing weekly home cleanings can quickly set recurring appointments, assign cleaners, and automate reminders without extra setup. Now here's where it gets interesting. ZenMaid is not trying to be everything. It is focused on doing one thing extremely well. But here's the catch. It is not ideal if you expand into other service types outside cleaning. Let's compare scheduling. Jobber offers strong scheduling with a full calendar view and job assignments. It works well for mixed service businesses. ZenMaid, however, is highly optimized for recurring cleaning schedules. It makes weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly cleanings very easy to manage. A cleaner like John can see exactly which homes he is assigned to each day without confusion. Now let's talk automation. ZenMaid is very strong in automation for cleaning businesses. It can automatically schedule recurring jobs, send reminders, and reduce manual work. Jobber also has automation, but it is more general and less specialized for cleaning workflows. Now here's where it gets interesting. Automation is where cleaning businesses save the most time, especially when managing repeat clients. Let's talk invoicing and payments. Both platforms allow invoicing and online payments. Jobber has a more polished and flexible invoicing system that works across multiple industries. ZenMaid keeps it simple and focused on cleaning business needs, which means fewer options but faster setup. Now let's talk mobile experience. Jobber has a strong mobile app where cleaners can update job status, upload photos, and communicate easily. ZenMaid also has mobile access, but it is more focused on simple daily task management rather than full business operations. But here's the problem. If your team prefers advanced features on mobile, Jobber may feel more powerful. Now let's talk scalability. Jobber is better if you plan to expand beyond cleaning into other home services. It gives you flexibility as your business grows. ZenMaid is better if you want to stay focused purely on cleaning and optimize that workflow as much as possible. Now here's the key insight most business owners miss. Jobber gives you flexibility across industries. ZenMaid gives you deep specialization for cleaning businesses. So which one is better? If you run a cleaning business that is growing and may expand into other services later, Jobber is the safer long-term choice. If you are fully focused on maid or residential cleaning services and want maximum automation for recurring jobs, ZenMaid is often the better fit. Now here's the turning point. The best software is not the most powerful. It is the one that fits your exact workflow without friction. To wrap it up clearly, Jobber is best for flexibility, broader service businesses, and long-term scalability. ZenMaid is best for cleaning-specific automation, recurring schedules, and simplicity. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, hit like so more business owners can see it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what tools you want compared next so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.